Good morning. Today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. Let's start with the kindness pledge. One hand on your heart, one hand in the air. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Well, friends, I hope that you have a wonderful Wednesday. I hope that you will take some time today to add to our classroom Padlet. I want to share my screen with you so I can share with you some of the really cool things that some friends in our class have been up to. Here, let's take a look. So yesterday, I noticed that Lucy was really enjoying her e-learning. She's got a big smile on her face. Grace posted a picture of the book that we've been reading together. Francesca posted a funny note from her brother. And she also posted a picture of her and her guinea pig together. And then Kat also posted a picture. Now, friends, I want to remind you that you can be posting creative things that you're doing. It doesn't have to be just about an e-learning assignment that I've given to you. If you are having a family movie night with your family, you can post a picture of you and your family doing that. If you're having family board games, post a picture there. I know a couple of friends mentioned that they have recently learned to ride their bikes without training wheels. Post a picture here. It doesn't have to be just e-learning. It can be fun things that you are doing with your family while we are away from school. And remember, you can comment on what other students are doing. And you can also like things that students are posting in the classroom. Today, I hope that you will have some fun when you're not doing e-learning, that you will check out our classroom Padlet and continue to add to it, because I think it's really going to help our classroom stay connected while we are out of school. All right, friends, make it a wonderful Wednesday. Click on the link to do the pledge with Mr. A.